Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional landing page using GitHub. Completely free, step by step in 2026. You don't need coding experience or paid hosting or website builder. If you want a personal website, a portfolio or landing page for your project or a clean online presence, this tutorial is for you. So let's start from zero. What GitHub landing page actually is. Let's understand this simply. GitHub allows you to host a website for free using GitHub Pages. That website can be a landing page, a portfolio, a personal site, and it will live at yourname.github.io, free forever. Now, if you haven't created a GitHub account, you can use Google or Apple, right? Click sign up or just sign in with Google or Apple account. Choose a username, use a real email, and verify your account. Your username matters because it becomes part of your website URL. Example, username alexdev. The website should be alexdev.github.io, right? Now, what we're going to do, we're going to create a new repository, right? Once logged in, click new next to the top repositories, new, right? And repository name must be exactly your username.github.io, right? So let's say Adam, okay? And add a description here, okay? And this repository is now gonna be your website, and make sure to keep it public, right? So we're gonna just hit create repository, right? Inside, understand how the page works. Your website is made of HTML, which is the structure, CSS, or design, okay? Don't worry, we will keep it simple. GitHub automatically turns this repository into a website, okay? Now, add your main website file. Inside the repository, you can go ahead and add a file, right? In order to import your website, right? Index.html, okay? And you're gonna name it index.html, right? This is the homepage of your website, right? And then what you're gonna do, see right here, HTTPS or SSH, okay? Now, you're gonna create a new repository on the command line or push an existing repository from the command line here, okay? And now what you're gonna do, paste a simple professional landing page code. Now what we're gonna do, you can here upload an existing file, right? They recommend every repository include a README license and GitHub. We're gonna just go ahead and create a new file, right? And inside, what we're gonna do, we're gonna paste this code, right? So basically, this code will be our new website, right, or landing page. And instead of your name, which is here, you're gonna add your basically your name and the text description, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click create or commit changes and name your file right, and hit commit changes, right? Now once you hit commit changes, continue here, we're gonna activate the GitHub Pages. Now let's make it live. Go to the settings, let me just find it, settings, not here, settings, yeah, here, and find pages, yeah, here. And what we're gonna do, under source, right, under source, you're gonna find basically a branch, main, folder, then root. And what you're gonna do, add, or if you have a domain, just add a domain and save it, right? Wait 30 to 60 seconds and your site is now live at your username www.github.io and make it look more professional. It's improvements. Simple upgrades: you can change background color, update font, add a profile image, add buttons like LinkedIn, GitHub, email, right? Example ideas: view my product, download resume, contact me, right? You don't need fancy design, just clarity wins here. You can add sections: about, project, contact. You can add about me, project, skills. Just copy and paste more P or div sections. Simple pages convert better than complex ones. And you can use free templates, which is optional. You can search for GitHub Pages HTML template in the search here, right? And pick a simple one and replace text and upload files. Same process, still free. Avoid wrong repository name, private repository, forgetting index.html, expecting instant changes, over designing. Simple plus clean equals professional, right? This setup is perfect if you are a beginner developer, a freelancer, a student, a creator, building credibility online. You now have a real website for free. So in 2026, you don't need a WordPress, paid hosting, or complex tools. GitHub Pages gives you speed, security, free hosting, professional look. And most people don't even know this exists. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Like the video, subscribe, and comment GitHub below so I can know that you watched the video. See you in the next one.